Hey everyone, I'm Mickey. Welcome back to LaceUp Solutions. Today we're going to discuss one of the most frequently asked questions and doubts that our incoming customers ask about. What the hell is the difference between EDI and DEX? Now, EDI and DEX couldn't be any more different, yet some customers believe that the DEX will do the EDI and that the EDI will do the DEX. Well, let's get into the different use cases. Okay, so EDI is Electronic Data Interchange, and the way that it works is there is a program or service that runs, imagine right here on your computer or on your server, and on this server you also have your accounting system. Now this program, what it does is it sends transactions into your accounting system and it extracts transactions out of your accounting system. Okay, so let's say for example that you have a delivery that was made to one of your customers sitting in this accounting system. The EDI system will go and take that transaction out, and then it'll shoot it off to your customer's database. Okay, so this service extracts these transactions from your accounting system and shoots them off to your customer's database. Not only this, but this service can also receive purchase orders from your customer's database and then insert those purchase orders into your accounting system. So that's what EDI does. EDI is traditionally used in businesses that require a facilitation of their supply chain. It requires elimination of paper handling when it comes to receiving purchase orders and sending out deliveries to the customer. So EDI, I've seen it used in pharmaceutical companies. I've seen it used in companies that sell goods like toys and bikes. I've seen it used in companies that do home goods, so goods like pots and pans and things like that. Those industries are prime for EDI usage. But now let's get into DEX. DEX is completely different. It's used by the DSD or direct store delivery industry. Okay, this industry can utilize DEX to make a delivery using a device like this and a little device like that. Okay, basically when you distribute tortillas or milk or potato chips or things that have really high turnover, what you want to do is you want to go to the store, make the invoice, and immediately put the invoice into the customer system. So big retailers have established a huge infrastructure to be able to do DEX. And what they do is the distributor uses a little tool like this to plug into a port in the wall. Imagine in the backdoor receiving, and that port's connected to a huge computer. And then the distributor takes this device and pushes a button and sends a transaction from here into the customer's retail location. Okay. Now, with DEX, you also have your receiving that happens on the spot. So you have a receiver that's going to retrieve that tortillas or that milk, okay, or those potato chips, and it's going to receive them into inventory. So that receiver, because you've DEXed in the invoice, they have it in their gun. So imagine they're sitting there with a gun like this one, and in that gun they have the order that you've just DEXed in, and they're able to go beep, 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 and scan those items in. Now if there's any adjustments, they make them on this gun, and then through the DEX, this little guy, that change goes back into the driver's device and then back into the vendor's accounting system. So again, DEX is used for the DSD industry, tortillas, milk or dairy, okay, potato chips, snacks. That's the industry that uses DEX. So I hope that makes sense for you all. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments down below. Again, my name's Mickey. Also, like, subscribe to our channel. Either way, I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.